How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I want to talk to you guys about the crypto market, the stock market. We're gonna see the fear and greed index. Also, we're gonna see the top news from today. So if you subscribe by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing my channel and smash like button for me. I will really appreciate it. Without further delay, the video, let's go. Welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Like I said before, we're gonna talk about the crypto market, the stock market, also the top news from today. So we start with the crypto market. We find here the crypto market is just bloody today. We find the Bitcoin is just down almost 0.50% over the last 24 hours. We're gonna see the whole cryptocurrency here, or the crypto market here, is just down. We have just Dogecoin up a little bit, about 0.26%, but the rest of the crypto market is just down. Now the Bitcoin here, just this is a chart, weekly chart. We found the Bitcoin head level of 16,800. We expect that touch this area about 45,000, and we see that the Bitcoin bounce in this area. So, and almost this is the same thing for the stock market, but it just up a little bit. We find the Nasdaq up 0.21%, and the SP 500 almost 0.59%. So now move on to the fear and the greed index. The fear is just, we are in the fear now, about 29%, but maybe the investors are worried today, and maybe this is a great opportunity for the people that want to buy crypto. Now in the US, we're not going into a recession, because this the Fed try to increase, and this is give the Fed to increase the interest rate, and that's maybe that's affect negatively on the crypto market, because this we see that the crypto market and the stock markets down today. And we see here the Wall Street stocks Timber Tuesday closing in a sea of red after data that indicates a strong labor market and better than expected economic growth. And this is a permission for the Fed to increase the interest rate just to fight inflation. And like I said before, this is affect negatively on the stock market and the crypto market. We find here the Senate passes more than $1.6 trillion spending bills in Ukraine aid. We see that the government and also the Fed not going in the same direction, because we see that the Fed try to fight inflation by increase the interest rate, and at the same time we find the government spending more money. This is just a contraction between the government and also the Fed. Move on to the Brazil. Brazil is just trying to support Bitcoin now. We find the Brazil president signs a crypto regulation into law. This is a great news. Actually, that caught my attention, because this I want to share it with you. Brazil President Jair on Tuesday approved a crypto regulation bill recently passed by that country's Chamber of Duty and the Senate. And we find that the new law established a crime of fraud involving virtual assets with a penalty of between 4 and 6 years in jail plus a fine. It also creates a virtual services provider license. The last information that I want to share with you guys is just related to the mining of Bitcoin. Now the mining of Bitcoin doesn't find any peace place just to mine their Bitcoin, and we see that they move to the Norway and the Sweden just to avoid the high cost of energy. So I can suggest them to move to Africa, because the cost of energy is just low in Africa, and this is just maybe a suggestion for them to start from Africa. I hope that you enjoy our video today. So we're gonna put every day one video talking about the top news from today, also talking about the stock market and the crypto market. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. See you tomorrow.